In this video, I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication or multi-factor authentication in Ongoing WMS. We at Ongoing strongly recommend that you and any other users in your instance of Ongoing WMS enable multi-factor authentication for max security. Here I log in as an administrator, and depending on when your account was created, your user, you'll come directly to the two-factor authentication page. You can do it later here, you can click it away, but if you're a user that do not get this, you can find it either under administration and two-factor authentication if you're an administrator. If you're any other user, you may find it at a different page, so you can just search here for two-factor authentication. You will click here, and then here is a button that you should click as well: secure your user account using two-factor authentication. This will give a pop-up, and the same one that we just saw. It's the same information here. Here we link to our documentation page on two-factor authentication. So the first thing that you need to do is to install an authenticator app on your phone or smart device. I have Microsoft Authenticator for my iOS device. And then what you need to do is you need to open the Authenticator app on your device. I do this in the background. And then you click the scan icon and you scan the QR code here. And then you have a code for that new instance of your system, that is. You'll get that code and a timer, so I'll input the code here. And then I finish the two-factor authentication. Your user account has been secured using two-factor authentication. Now, so the next time I log in from a different device, you will see that it'll force me to utilize the two-factor authentication. So now that I log in from a new device with my username and password, I will also have to open the Authenticator app on my phone, and I will put in the PIN code for the system that, the Ongoing WMS system that is now on my Authenticator app. Alright, so to repeat, the most easiest is to find the two-factor authentication page no matter what user you're logged into. And then you will click that button that will be visible for that user and do the process. And as stated in the beginning, we recommend that you do this, that you have all of your users to do this. Thank you very much.